do Google Docs CA. So in the Google, and you just type in repel.it, something like that. And after you hit enter, then just go to the website directory and click on repel it. So I click on here, and usually on this web page, you can find sign up over here, a button, blue button, sign up on the right top corner. Do sign up, and here you can put your username, email, and password, and sign up your own account. After you log in, there should be something looks like this. So what I'm going to do is, like, on the left hand corner on here, there's a button called new repel. Just new repel. You click on the new repel and choose a language on the first drop down, and we choose Python. So let's choose Python, and of course you can give it a name, and I may just change the name to let's just say Star Wars. Okay, so I have my Star Wars Python, and now I'm gonna create the repel. So by default, your Python should be 3.8.2. Before we start, and you go to this web page, there are a big black box over on your right hand side, and in the middle there's a white box, and here is a navigation bar we call files. So we focus on these two, and the black box we call it console, or you can say it's just a cell. You can switch this tab, console and cell, right? And let's just try on the console. So in Python, in this console, and I can do just like, let's do 1 plus 2. So you can get 3. And I will try something big like 999 plus 888. And of course, you can get the correct answer. Now, what I want you to try something more fun, and like 20 multiple by 13, and now you can divide by 2. So in Python, we use the a star as the multiple. So in your math, you should use the cross. But here we use a star to say multiple. All right. So for the slash forward, so slash forward is for the divides. Okay. So now I would say star is for multiple. And slash is for divide. Okay, so again I just hit enter, and it's 300. You can do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So you hit enter and you got 45. And now, and the second one is 988 plus 12. So it's 988 plus 12. It's easy. Now 890 multiplied by 640. is 890 multiple by 640. See, right? And we got a number called 569,600. And again, we have 560 multiple by 800 and plus, oops, sorry, it should be divided by 9. So we got the answer is 49,777.777 something. And now we got parenthesis, and now 5 plus 5 and multiple by 2. So it should be 20. If you got the correct answer, then we are good to go. And for all this calculation, you actually can do it on the here in the middle, this white box. And if you saw that there's a tab called main.py. Now we finished all our calculation. You might just curious what's going on with this, like the main.py. What's this? So if you look at your left hand side on this panel and under the files, and you saw main.py because main.py, and here is main.py. So you may pretty sure which, when we click on this one, you should show up this file. So let's just create one more file. We create for example a1.py, something like this. Okay, and after you create, you hit enter, and now you have a1.py. So we have main.py, a1.py. So what I want you to do, just come back to main.py, click on the main.py, and I want you to choose the in this white box, you click on here, and it should show a cursor over here is over just on the right hand side of the line 1, and you are going to type print, just print, and parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Inside here, I want you to choose A9999, okay? And after you finish the typing on here, you click on the run, and you will get A999 on your console. All right, so yep, you can pause the video now and just do your practice. And I want you to type print and have parentheses and put A9999, and now you click on the run button, and there should be something in your console. In this red box, it show up A9999. All right, let's just continue to do something called print, and just do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 5. And again, if you click run, and you will get 2 number over here, and the first one is A9999, of course, is print from here. So what is the print? We hover your mouse, the cursor on top of the print, and it will give you some explanation. So print is one of the function you can print the things inside this parenthesis, and put it in your console on here. Okay, and now I will do one more thing, just like print 890 multiplied by 640, and I click run, and you will get 3 numbers over here, and they should be exactly the answer you got from this calculation, and it is output directly from when you run this file, and it will output on this console. All right, so we just try some numbers here. You know that our computer can do numbers, and we do calculation over here, and we can also do strings, and which is for sentence, letters, and or emoji, something like that. So let's just try a string. So you can do just print, and when you type print and you type open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and inside this inside the parenthesis you type a code, a single code. So where are you going to get the single code? And it's in your keyboard. It's on the left hand, on the left side of the enter key. You will find a single code. Okay, if you want to have a double code, you should hold the shift key and press double code. All right, so you can get double code. Okay, but now here I just want you to put the single code, and inside the single code, let's just type some word like hello. Okay, hello. And now what I want you to do, just click run, and you should get hello. And now you can pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, now we have print, and what I want you to do at this time, and you just try hold the shift key and press on the code key, and now you can get the double code, and you can type hello world. Now we click on the run button again, and you get hello world. Hello world. So what we got here is inside a single code or inside a double code, we call that one is a string. It's string in Python. It's called string. It's a string. All right. Okay. I think you have fun with this. And what I want you to do next is go to the next website, and we are going to learn from this website. Just open the tab, and in the tab or in your Google search, you type w3schools.com, and now you hit enter, and you should go all the way to w3schools.com, and you can click on the icon, the logo icon, w3schools.com, and make sure you are on the home page. A button called tutorials, and we click on the tutorials, and you scroll down, go all the way to programming and learn Python, and you click on learn Python. Okay, so we are going to follow this website, and we are working on each tutorial. Okay, so far we already learned how to use print. Like here we are going to use print hello world. And even in this website, you can try to use this command. And for whatever you saw an example, and there's a green button called try it yourself, and you click try it yourself. And now you can have the same thing, a black box and a white box. And you have a run button here, and you click run. It should be show you the answer. But personally, I like to use repel it, and because you can save your whatever you did in the repel it, and you have your account sign up, and you can do whatever you want. And you can also create some new file like main.py or a1.py, and that's why I prefer the repel-it.com. Okay. So yeah, you go back to this tab and let's just close it. And we scroll down here. We go all the way to see some exercise. And of course, you can try and see how to output the hello world. So we already learned, we just put a print and with the parentheses, and you can also submit answer and show answers. I think I get it right. So, yep, I think it is right. So let's just close this tab and go back to the home, the Python home. And under the Python home, there's an intro and a small introduction about Python. And if you have time, you should read all of them. And now we can go Python get started. And there's something maybe hard to understand. We can skip it right for now. And we continue to click on the Python syntax. In this Python syntax, and it's telling you, hey, what is the syntax? So it's basically, it just tell you how to write Python. Okay. And if you go all the way to the Python data types, and we click on the data types, and today we just use the integer, numeric types. We use the text types, and we call it string. Okay, so we call it string. And we will come back here, and we will learn all of this, and we learn the text type, numeric type, the sequence types, the mapping types, set types, also the Boolean type, and binary types, something like this. And hopefully we can finish our lessons in 10 lessons. All right, that's it for today. And if you have any question, please just send me an email.